Okay, now it's time to put the skis on. So to start, we need to find a nice flat area and we need to lay the skis down together, parallel next to each other. So the way the boot is designed is it has a little toe piece and a heel piece, and these have to connect under the front of the binding here and into the back of the binding like that. But before we do that, we need to remove the snow from under the ski boot. We do that by using the ski pole and tapping, or we can tap against our other boot, or we can also use the binding, the front of the binding, and do like this to scrape off the snow. So place the tip of the boot under the front of the binding, gently press the heel piece into the back of the binding, and then when it's all lined up nice and snug, you push down on the back of the boot.